Due to the part closure of Port Talbot Steelworks, we heard that there was a granting available for small businesses to help the businesses grow. So we applied for the grant, and yeah, we were successful with the grant, and to be honest, it's been brilliant.
Without the funding, we wouldn't have been able to afford it. We'd only been open a couple of months, we had no equipment or nothing, so we actually rented the van off a company. But now the growth grant is, after doing the festival, it was such a success, it's enabled us to get our own van. We're just in the middle of our new premises going to be opening, so it'll be our second one. And obviously we've had all the tables and chairs from...
everything in there, and it attracts people to the town centre itself, so it's good for all businesses within the town centre.
Since we've had the granting of the tables and chairs, we've been able to take an extra 2 members of staff on. The clientele we're having down here is a lot more. We're getting more families from like Port Call, Bridgend, everything, knowing that they can sit down, so it's massively helped us.
Definitely benefited the business.
Yes, in so many ways, and obviously with this new van we're hoping to pitch up somewhere in Port Talbot a couple of nights a week, as well as the other venue that we've got coming in the pipeline, which is a surprise. But yeah, it's really helped us. The grant come along then, and it changed our life basically. Completely changed our life.
Like the grant is, it's been, you know, it's opened so many doors for us. The equipment we're using is more economical equipment to keep up with the demand, and you know what I mean?
We've had new jack potato ovens, because the one we had when we first opened, it would hold 200, but then what we finding was then, dinner time come, the 200 be gone, and then it wouldn't cook in time. So now we've got a new jack potato oven, so rotation of the spuds are just keeping on coming in.
The actual process of applying, first of all, we had to apply to Business Wales to make sure that everything was correct and in order.
It's life-changing.
It is life-changing, and like I say, it's not as complicated as people think. They've been, what can I say, absolutely amazing.
All of them.
All of them, everyone. It's been like, there's so much support there available. There's somebody there all the time, and that was through Business Wales and Neath Port Talbot Council. You know, everyone I've spoke to within Neath Port Talbot Council have been amazing.
We would say anyone considering applying to not be daunted, go and do it, because without us having this, the Spud fan wouldn't be ready.
It's been the best thing we've ever done.